welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Madison Beer inspired makeup tutorial. I've been wanting to do this for so long and I'm so happy I'm finally getting around to it. I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys recreate this look. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys in a little bit closer. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my skin with this Urban Decay Quick Fix spray. I've noticed that she has very dewy skin whenever she does do her makeup, at least in some of the pictures that I saw, so I definitely want to recreate that today. For primer, I'm using the Glossier Priming Moisturizer in the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Gleam. And this just gives like a nice like tinted look, and I just love it so much. So now I'm just going to rub that in. Now I'm going to be using a little bit of this porefessional. So I'm just putting this mainly by my nose because that's where I get the most pores, and I just use the excess on my chin and my forehead. Now before foundation, I'm going to use this Dewy Rosewater Priming and Setting Spray Mist. This is a rosewater with a lot of like little glitter elixirs in here. Now this will make you so glowy and dewy, I promise you. It's a little expensive. I don't really think it's a good like setting spray, but I do think it's good for priming. And my face already looks so dewy and I haven't even done anything to it. Now onto foundation, I'm going to be mixing the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Healthy Luminous Foundation and the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir Foundation. I'm going to mix these two together on the back of my hand. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of concealer on my face. I'm not going to go too crazy, I'm just going to add it on my chin, my forehead, and a little bit right here on my cheeks. Before I set my face, I'm going to be taking the Benefit High Beam. I'm going to be putting it on my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, a little bit on my chin. We're going to add more highlighter later, but this is just to prep for it. Now I'm going to set my face with the Mercier Candleglow powder, and this is very like glowy, as you can see. And it's a little bit darker than my skin color, but that's okay. And I'm going to just pat it into my skin like this, just where I would get oily. Okay, so now for bronzer, I'm going to be using this little e.l.f. compact bronzer and blush. So I'm first going to take the bronzer with this Real Techniques stippling brush. So this is what I'm doing. And I just do it on the side of my nose like this. And then I kind of add it down on my cheeks just right here, because when we do box freckles, it's really just going to help that like illusion really come to life. So you'll start to notice while doing this look, your face is already so bronzy and so glowy that you really just want to get like those highlighted parts back onto your face. So I'm taking the Kat Von D's Shade in Light palette, and I'm using the lightest shade, and I'm just taking a little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put it at the edge of it and put it right under my eyes. I'm also going to add that on my chin right here and on my forehead, just so I can get that lightness back onto my T-zone. So now I'm going to put some blush on, and I'm going to be using the same e.l.f. little compartment. And I'm just going to softly go like this. Okay, and for brows, I'm basically just going to comb them through with this little spoolie. Now I'm going to lightly fill it in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. I'm keeping a really light hand. I want to keep my same shape. We are almost done for eyes. I'm just going to keep it really simple with some bronzer all over my lid and maybe a little bit of shimmer. And I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer right here, and I'm just going to put this all in my lid like this. And now I'm going to put some on my lower lash line just to balance it out. And just for some more definition, I'm going to be adding some brown eyeliner on my water lash line, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And now I'm going to add just a little bit of this highlighter onto the middle of my lid. This is the Laura Geller highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. I'm just adding a little bit just so it's like a pop of shimmer, nothing too crazy. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. This is my favorite mascara at the moment. It just makes my eyelashes so long and voluminous. And now, before my highlighter, I'm just going to add some faux freckles around my nose. And for the freckles, I'm using the same eyeliner that I used for my eyes. So I made the freckles really light because I don't think she has that many freckles, and I don't know, I think it looks better when you don't add a lot. They're very light. I just have like a couple statement ones that really pop out. And now for highlighter, I'm going to be taking that same Gilded Honey highlighter, and I'm going to make it kind of natural, even though this is a very intense highlighter. I'm just not going to add as much. Then I'm going to add some on my nose and my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to take a little flat shader brush and put it on my inner corner and brow bone. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. I'm not going to apply a lot because I feel like her lips are mostly natural for the most part. And then I'm going to add some clear gloss on the center of my lips. And for setting spray, I just used both the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray and the same Do Me Rose Water Priming and Setting Mist. And this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up down below and make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload videos. Let me know down below some video ideas and or if you want me to do more videos like this where I recreate celebrities' makeup. I love you all so much and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!